This video will go through the basics of installing an iVact actuator onto a valve or damper. For this video, we will have an IVQ-FHWN being mounted onto a 4-inch ball valve. A disclaimer, only trained and competent personnel should install, maintain, and operate iVact actuators. Please follow the appropriate installation and operating manual as this video is not an official guide. To mount an actuator onto a valve, ensure that the ISO mounting base of the valve matches that of the actuator and that the stem of the valve fits into the female drive of the actuator. If the two are not compatible, then an adaptation kit would have to be made to fit the two together. To mount this actuator onto a ball valve, we will require a stem reducer as the female drive nut of the actuator has a slightly larger square than the valve of the stem does. Before coupling the actuator onto the valve, ensure that both the valve and actuator are in the same position. For example, if the actuator is in the closed position, the valve should also be in the closed position. After mounting, secure the actuator onto the valve using the hardware as shown. If you require an adaptation, ensure that you assemble everything correctly and mount the actuator accordingly. Afterwards, ensure that everything is secure. If the actuator is to be installed but cannot be wired, do not remove the plastic cable entry plugs. If the actuator is to be wired, please follow the appropriate wiring diagram.